been a while, but we are back in the parks finally, and it's a great time to be here because there's a lot going on. We have Lunar New Year, you got the Passover Celebration Month, and of course Valentine's Day. So I think today we're going to focus on Lunar New Year since we haven't had any of the Lunar New Year food this year yet. And we don't want to miss that, of course.
It's Passover.
It's really good. Really good. So we're going to show you just a few of the things that we think sound the best. And then in the future, we'll be back focusing maybe on Valentine's Day and showing you, of course, the annual Passover or Magic Key celebration.
Yeah, we need to get used to saying that.
Yeah, exactly. Anyway, let's go check it out.
First thing we got was the garlic noodles, which I've been dying to try.
From Longevity Noodles, right?
Longevity noodles, right.
Okay, so
So we're going to give it a little taste.
Good?
Very good. Very garlicky. Very.
Well, yeah, it's got garlic and Parmesan, right?
Yep.
Pretty standard, but it sounded really good.
I can't complain. I'm a noodle person, so.
Okay, so now I'm gonna give the garlic noodles a try.
The macaroon's over.
I think she likes them.
They're good.
She likes them.
Yeah, so they're what they say. They're garlic noodles with some Parmesan on there. Pretty basic, but like Ben said, they're really, really good. I highly recommend, and it's a good portion size too. I mean,
I'm surprised at how
look
big
at
it
that.
is
I mean,
for
that's a lot.
a festival.
Yeah. So that's really good. Highly recommend. So far, we're off to a good start. Okay, so now for our next booths, we got a couple of things here. For the from the Bao and Bun booth, we got the pork char siu bao, and looks like it's got jalapeno and pickled onions on it. It's actually really packed with pork. I'm gonna give this a try. See if I can do this without spilling any.
Without spilling anything?
Yeah. It's good. The bun is really soft, and the pork is really tender. Well, I mean, it's not overly dry. It's not dry. It's got a really good taste to it, and it's sweet. I didn't get any of the pickled onions in there, but from what I can tell from just the bun and the pork itself, it's good. So we'll see what Ben thinks about it. So before I'm gonna hand it over to Ben here, I wanted to say that I took a few more bites of that bao bun, and when you get in there, it's definitely juicier and more tender on the inside, I think, as you get in there, and as I will get some of those onions, and I think it gave it a really good little kick there, and I had some of the jalapeno. I think it's a really good balance of sweet and spicy, so we'll see what Ben thinks.
Unlike Carly, I'm not a fan of jalapenos, so I have to take it out.
There were two in there, so yeah, I ate one.
Then I took the other one out. It's tender.
Right? It was like a little drier on the outside, like on the end of it.
Yeah.
But when you get into the middle, it's
not bad. So it still has a little bit of a bite from the jalapeno juice. The pickled onions aren't bad. And I'm not a big fan of pickled anything. I'd get this again.
Okay, so to wash down the bao bun, we've got this peach yuja aid, and it's got, let's see, peach syrup, yuja, dragon fruit, lemon, and butterfly pea flower tea. Sounds interesting. And I don't know if you can capture this, but like, it's really pretty. You see the ombre, like peach color and pink. It's a really pretty drink, so we're gonna see if it tastes as good as it looks. I like the yuzu citrus flavor. That's the first thing that you get immediately is the yuzu. I'm gonna have to stir it up here to kind of mix the flavors and get the dragon fruit and see if I can get the tea. Okay, so now that I've stirred it up, it has a floral taste in there too, which I'm guessing is the pea flower. And I'd say it's, you know, overwhelmingly like the yuzu, citrus, and I got the dragon fruit. I don't get a lot of the peach, but it's really good. It's really refreshing, and it's another thing that I would get again for sure. Okay, I didn't think Ben was gonna try it, but I got him to try this, and what do you think?
It's good.
It is.
It's very good.
It's a mix of flavors that like I've never had. I don't think.
No.
It's and you can taste the floral from the pea flower.
Mostly floral, some citrus.
From the yuzu, yeah.
And from the yuzu, but you really can't taste the tea.
Or well, the peach either. You can't really taste the peach.
I can taste peach.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't get peach. I got dragon fruit.
Yeah, definitely got dragon fruit and some peach.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Very
I would get this.
Yeah.
On a regular basis.
Well, we finished our food, and we are in the perfect spot to see Mulan's Lunar New Year parade. We're sitting here along the parade corridor, and the parade's going to be in just a few minutes. So I think we're going to stick around right here and wait and watch it.
Mulan learned to respect the strength and discipline of the martial arts from her father. This centuries-old art form celebrates a rich heritage of bravery and honor.
Was a really cool parade. I don't think we've ever caught that Lunar New Year parade before.
No, we're usually on the other side by then.
And I love seeing Tigger all dressed up.
How about Chippendale?
Well, that's what I was going to get to next. Of course, we love Chippendale. They're our favorite. So it's always awesome to see them included and stuff like that. And there is some merch, Lunar New Year merch with Chippendale that we have to check out later. I think we're going to now go around and see what else is going on. And see what else we can find.
ESPN's got the stage set up for the big game next week, but I wish they had some sort of zone, some sort of sports zone they could do this in, but I guess not.
So now we're currently in line at the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail waiting to see Raya. I think that she's finally here. We've been waiting for a little while.
And just giving everybody a heads up.
I think I still have an Oreo flavored one.
Yeah, it looks like the line's moving now, so we should be able to see her any second now. Thank you. So we're going off here to the disabled accessible entrance. I'm trying to go this way.
Oh my goodness. Are we all one big group? We're on all of Spine Village with you. Wow. Nice to meet all.
We're part of the Claw
Hi,
Village.
Raya. Claw Village. Hi there. Nice to see you. Now, are we all from the same village or are we all from different parts? Do we have some fang here, some talons, some tail? Are we all from one just like part?
Same.
All the same?
Why are we not in California Adventure anymore?
Because we're on the train.
For your first time, right?
My first time.
Okay.
Yeah,
This will be interesting. We'll see what you think about the train.
I'm gonna like it.
We'll see.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Okay, so we're back over here at the Lunar New Year Festival.
It's been a day.
Yeah, I was gonna say we're back at the Lunar New Year Festival. I'm like, you scared me. Yeah, so we took a detour over there at Disneyland.
Yeah.
You took your first ride on the train. Ben and I love Chip and Dale, so I love this shirt. I would love it more if it was not in red, but you see the tiger there with Chip and Dale. We have this different lady style blouse over here. So it has Chip and Dale, like the other shirt, but it's also got Minnie and Mickey. Oh no. And yeah, Donald and Daisy. I love it. So you got these mini ears here. The tiger in the middle. And the fan up there. I just love that. It's really cute. Well, that's a wrap on our day here at the Lunar New Year Festival at California Adventure. We had some really good food. My favorite was the Yuja Peach Aid thing. And I think that was really good.
It was.
It had the tea and the yuzu and peach and dragon fruit. Very delicious.
Sweet, really sweet for what it was. My favorite was garlic noodles, just because I like garlic and noodles. Yeah. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. I mean, Bao, I wasn't that impressed with.
Oh, I liked it, but yeah, definitely not as good as the noodles or the tea. And you know, we met up with our friends, and Ben had his first ride on the train. That was awesome.
40 plus years coming here, and that was my first time on a train. Amazing.
Yeah. And we looked for at the merch for the Lunar New Year, and I was looking for this Chip and Dale statue, and I don't know where it is or if it's sold out or what, but didn't have it. But they had the cute shirts, and just red's not my color, so I'm not going to be getting that. But if we're here next time, before the Lunar New Year Festival ends, I'll be looking for it again. Yeah. And we'll be trying
I have a feeling we'll be back.
Oh, good. And we can try some other foods and tell you what we think of some other dishes that they have here.
Yeah.
But for now, you know, that's it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember,
adventure is out there.